I'll be honest, this product may not be for you, but if one of these is you, it might just be your new go-to. You dislike the taste of water alone and are looking for something yummier. You enjoy sparkling water over still. You're looking for a healthy alternative to fizzy drinks. You're looking to reduce or cut out your processed sugar and sweeteners. You want to increase your daily water intake. You want drinks you can have easily on the go. Hey Superhumans, Dash gifted me this gorgeous set of drinks along with 3 mocktail recipes, and today we'll be reviewing them as I tell you more about this incredible company. Here's what I love about them. Dash Water was created to solve a problem. Vast amounts of greenhouse gases are emitted during production and distribution of food produce, so reducing food waste is deemed by some researchers the 3rd most effective way to help fight climate change. The founders saw this problem and created Dash as a solution to help with this issue, and I love it. They work to reduce food waste by using wonky, misshapen fruit and veg, which is judged as bad looking but tastes fine, and they use surplus produce, which is the excess created just in case, to ensure farmers make enough to maintain their contracts. They also send leftover fruit to biogas plants to be turned into electricity. Their cans, glass bottles, cardboard packaging and shrink wrap is all recyclable, and they're trying to eradicate plastic use entirely. Dash is carbon neutral and they continue to work towards their sustainability mission each year. There's also no sugar, sweeteners and artificial flavorings, and they accept that they're dearer in price compared to other large drink companies, but have various ways to help make it more affordable for consumers, such as loyalty schemes, referral schemes, subsidized delivery and other discounts. I love all of this. The work that they're doing is incredible. Now let's talk mocktails. I loved all the mocktails, but here's 1st, 2nd and 3rd, and that is why